Welcome back to another video. In this tutorial, we are going to look at how we can find the turning point of this particular parabola. Okay, so this is a quadratic expression, and that is basically the parabola, and we want to find the turning point. Okay, so this is for objective wise. Remember your quadratic function, right? So that is p of x equals, or f of x or p of x equals ax squared plus bx plus c. Okay, so consider this as equation 1 and this as equation 2. So here, comparing 1 and 2, you can see that your a is equal to 2, your b is equal to 8, and your c is equal to 7. Okay, so once you have these informations, you know that the turning point has the value of x and the value of y. So that is the p and q respectively. And that is giving us minus b over 2a, and then 4, and then 4ac minus b squared over 4a. So that is the turning point. So the turning point of a particular parabola is giving us p comma q equals minus b over 2a comma 4ac minus b squared over 4a. So once you have this formula down, the rest is computations, then you get your turning point. So here, our turning point is going to be pq, which is equal to minus b. Our b here is 8, so it's going to be minus 8 over 2a. Our a is 2, so we have into 2, comma 4 into a is 2, and our c is 7, minus b squared. Our b is 8, so it's going to be 8 squared over 4a, and our a is 2. Okay, so this is what you need. Just compute it and then you are good to go. So here we're going to have our turning point to be minus 8 over 4, comma 4 times 2 is 8, 8 by 7 minus 8 squared is 64 over 8, right? So when 2, comma minus 56, we have minus 2, then comma 8 into 7 minus 64 is 56 minus 64, and that is minus 8. So minus 8 over 8 here will give us minus 1. So minus 2, comma minus 1. So the turning point to this parabola is minus 2 and minus 1. Ladies and gentlemen, this is for objective wise. This is for objective wise. So note the formula PQ, where P is the X, the line of symmetry. The line of symmetry. The line of symmetry is just the value of P, or the X. Okay, so P comma Q is equal to minus B over 2A comma 4AC minus B squared over 4A. Okay, so once you have this formula, note your parameters. Compare the original equation given to your general quadratic formula, your general quadratic function, then you obtain the values of a, b, and c. So once you have those values, substitute them into your formula, then you obtain your turning point. So the turning point for this particular parabola is minus 2 and minus 1. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much for watching. I really appreciate your time. Don't forget to subscribe, share with your mates, and I'll give you more updates.